there are 48 number 48 students. As first there are 48 students, total is uh, just 48 we have given, and two third of them are boys, means boys are two-third of total, means 2 3 of 48. This is got 16 equal to 32. Boys are this much, and girls are 48 minus 32, because total means boys plus girls. Here 48, here boys already 32, remaining is girls. This is means 48 minus 32 is 16. So the answer for A answer is 16, B answer is 32 answer. And the next question is, in a basic school 25 part of the total boy students are boys, means suppose total is equal to x, and if there are girls 90 girls, yes, suppose there are 90 girls, boys are how many boys are there? The question is that uh, 25 part are boys, means 75 part are girls, means 75% of total is x equal to 90, because we have given that there are 90 girls. So this uh, 15 5 and this is 6, means x is equal to and this also cancels 20. Total is 120. Total is 120, and out of these we have total is equal to boys plus girls is equal to total is 120. Boys we have to find these boys plus girls are already 90, therefore boys equal to 30. We can do in any way, okay.